Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Fine. Today we will start a new lesson. It's about division by either 10, 100, 1000, or divided by a decimal number 0 0.1, 0 0.01, and 0.001. Yeah. We will start with activity 1, page 194. Please copy the answers on your math books. Activity 1, use the calculator to divide. So we will not use the calculator. Cross it, please. How do we divide a decimal number by either 10, 100, or 1000? In order to divide a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, the first step, I will move the decimal point. لما نقول divide, so we have to move the decimal point backward to the left side. If it's 10, we move it backward one digit. If it's 100, يعني two zeros, we move it backward two digits. 1000, we move it backward three digits. Just that's it. Okay? So, دايما we are moving backward because it's division. Division, so we move the decimal point backward, either one digit, two digit, or three digits. Divided by 10, so I will move the decimal point backward one digit. So I will count one digit backward. Move it backward one digit, it will be where? Between 1 and 5. So the answer will be 1.54. Okay? 1.54. That's it. هلا divided by 100. So we will move it back two digits. طيب. But we have just one. 1, 2. Then we place the point. We count two digits. طيب. في عنا just one digit. So we fill the other digit with 0 empty space. At the beginning, we have to start with 0. So it will be 0.005. We move it back two digits. 1, 2. So we add another 0, then we place the point. لأن بيكون عندنا two digits. 1000, we move it back three digits. 1, 2, 3. بتصير هون البوينت. Okay? ودايما على beginning we fill it with 0. So 0.12517. Okay. Now, the second one, divided by 10. So we move it back one digit. It will be between 2 and 7. So 2.7561. Here, divided by 100. So we move it back how many digits? Two digits. 1, 2. It will be here. So 7.4516. هلا 31. طيب ما في عنا point حتى نحركها. نحن قلناها بالaddition والsubtraction للديسيمال numbers. If there is no point, where should I put it? I put it at the end, so it's written here. Okay? هلا I move the point. يعني 31 هو the same as 31.0. هلا الpoint that's written here, I move it back three digits. 1, 2. Where's the 3? I fill it with 0, then I place the point. So 1, 2, 3. At the beginning, we start with 0. So 0.031. Okay? So we notice that if we want to divide a decimal number by 10, we move the decimal point back one digit. By 100, we move it back two digits. 1000, we move it back three digits. Okay, but we will not write it. هلا. We have finished from the division by 10, 100, 1000. Now we have to start with the division by 0.1 اللي هن decimal numbers, 0.01 and whatever. طيب. Did you remember 0.1, how do we write it as a fraction? It's 1 out of 10. ما هيك 0.01 هي 1 out of 100. طيب 1 out of 10 يعني as if we are dividing 1 by 10. هي the same as 1 divided by 10. يعني I will divide 5.8 two times. Here we have divide and here also we have divide. Because we have two division, to divide بيعطونا multiply. يعني from now on, in order to divide a decimal number by another decimal number اللي هن 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, we change the equation. So the equation أنا بغيرها. شو بتصير؟ multiply. لما يكون عندنا decimal number like this, we change the equation to multiply. Okay? بغيرها بالكل بعملها multiply وبغير الديسيمال نمبر كمان. مش هو 0.1 هو 1 out of 10. شو بصير 10؟ يعني لما يكون عندنا divided by 0.1 or 0.01 ال 2 divide بصيروا عندنا multiply دغري. بس نشوف ان احنا decimal number بنحوله للايكويشن نقلبها. we will do the opposite way. divide will be times و this number I cross it, it will be what? It will be 10. okay, يعني we count the zeros عندنا or we count the digits. okay, عندنا 1 digit بعد البوينت so it's 10. عندنا 2 digits بنحولها ل 100. عندنا 3 digits بعد البوينت 1000. okay, so how do we multiply هلا؟ صار عم نحكي نحن decimal number multiplied by 10. كنا عم نحكي بالبارت A divided by 10. هلا عم نحكي بالبارت B multiplied by 10. multiplied by 10 so انا صرت هون عم حركها للرايت سايد. اوكي، يعني لما اكون عم بحكي divided by 10 100 1000 we are moving the decimal point to the left side. now we are moving the decimal point where? To the right side. okay, how do we move it to the right side? We just 10 we move it one digit here so it will be 58.0. بما انه البوينت 0 بالاخر جاي مش مثل الفيرست one 0 point at the beginning. البوينت 0 at the end we can remove it. okay, هلا I will change this decimal number to either 10 or 100 or 1000. how many digits do we have بعد البوينت? 2 digits so it will be 100. 100 so I will move it how many digits to the right side now? I will move it how many digits? 2 digits. 1 2. where is 2 وفلقت with 0 بتصير بالاخر البوينت يعني 1390. اوكي، هلا 3 digits so 1000 والتايم divide صارت times 1000 so we move it 3 digits to the right 1 2 3 بتصير بالاخر وبالاخر فينا نشيلها. اوكي، here the same times how many digits do we have? 3 so 1000 and here times 100 times 10. يلا we move the decimal point 3 digits to the right side 1 2 where's 3 we add 0 شو بتصير 0 0 20 يعني the same as 20. هلا we move it 2 digits to the right 1 2 where's 2 we add 0 730. here 10 طيب 13 times 10 we write 13 then 0 ما في عنا point وما في داعي نحط point دغري 13 times 10 it's 130. so we notice that if we want to divide by 0.1 0.01 0.001 we reverse the equation it will be times 10 or 100 or 1000 so we move the decimal point to the right side. okay, so to divide a decimal number by 10 100 1000 we move the decimal point backward. Whereas if we want to divide it by 0.1 0.01 we move it to the right side. we move the decimal point to the right side. okay, so let's do part A in exercise 1 page 195. yeah, page 195. yeah, calculate mentally to find the answer. divided by 10 دغري انا بس شوف decimal number ححولها divide الايكويشن يعني اذا كانت تايمز بتصير ديفايد واذا كانت ديفايد بتصير تايمز. هيدا النمبر بعمل له كروس بصير 10 وهون نفس الشيء عندنا ديسيمال نمبر بحولها لتايمز 10. اوكي، وهون نفس الشيء بتصير تايمز 1000. اوكي، دائما بشتغل الاوبوزيت. اذا كان عندنا تايمز ديسيمال نمبر بتصير ديفايد وديفايد بتصير تايمز. divided by 10 كلهم divided by 100 divided by 1000 وهون كمان divided by 10. هون times 10 times 100 times 1000. yeah. so divided by 10 we move it back. يعني نحن ما نحفظ شغلتين two rules either divided by 10 or times 10 أو 100 etc. divided by 10 we move it back to the left side. times 10 we move it where? To the right side. okay, that's it. so we move it back one digit. it will be 2.39. Here we move it back 2 digits 1 2 بتصير بين 3 و 2 يعني 3.2517. Here we move it back 3 digits. طيب عندنا 1 so we will add 2 digits more اللي هن 2 zeros. هلا at the beginning ما في يشيل البوينت we have to place it يعني 0.0013. كمان هيدي صارت divided by 10 we move it back 1 digit 0.37. هلا خلصنا من we are moving back. هلا we are moving to the right side لانه كلهم times 10 times 100 times 1000 so we are moving to the right side. right side move it 1 digit صارت between 0 and 4 190.4. Here we move it to the right side 2 digits بتصير بالآخر فينا نشيلها. Here we move it 3 digits but عنا just 2 digits so we add 0. So 13 120. Now times 1000 كمان we move it 3 digits. وعنا just 1 so we add 2 zeros more بتصير 5700. Okay? Please do part B alone, then in the Zoom period we will correct it together. Okay? See you